How does natural hydrogen peroxide lighten hair? Imagine a substance so gentle yet effective that it can alter the natural shade of your hair without the need for harsh chemicals. That is the intriguing potential of natural hydrogen peroxide. To understand how it works, it is essential to explore its chemical properties and interaction with hair fibers. Hydrogen peroxide is a simple chemical compound composed of two hydrogen atoms and two oxygen atoms. When it exists in its natural form, it is often found in small quantities within the environment and certain biological processes. In hair lightening, hydrogen peroxide acts as an oxidizing agent. This means it has the ability to accept electrons from other substances, leading to chemical reactions that change the structure of molecules. Hair is primarily made up of keratin, a protein that contains pigment molecules called melanin. Melanin is responsible for the natural color of hair, ranging from black and brown to blonde and red. When hydrogen peroxide is applied to hair, it penetrates the hair shaft and interacts with the melanin molecules. The oxidizing action of hydrogen peroxide breaks down the melanin's complex chemical structure, effectively bleaching the pigment. The process begins with hydrogen peroxide diffusing into the hair cuticle, the outermost layer. Once inside, it reacts with the melanin within the cortex, the middle layer of the hair. This reaction converts the melanin into colorless or less pigmented molecules, resulting in a lighter appearance. The degree of lightening depends on the concentration of hydrogen peroxide used and the duration of exposure. Natural sources of hydrogen peroxide, such as certain plants or environmental conditions, contain it in very low concentrations. When used for hair lightening, these natural sources must be processed or combined with other ingredients to increase their effectiveness. It is important to note that the strength of natural hydrogen peroxide is generally much lower than commercial hair bleaching products, which means the lightening effect is usually more subtle and gradual. In summary, natural hydrogen peroxide lightens hair by chemically breaking down the melanin pigment within the hair fibers through an oxidation process. This reaction reduces the pigment's color intensity, revealing a lighter shade. While natural sources can contribute to this process, achieving significant lightening typically requires controlled application and sometimes supplementary ingredients to enhance the effect.